Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the previous video we talked about functions. Okay, so in this video we're going to talk about if-else statements. Okay, so what are if-else statements? If-else statements are used to control the flow of your program. So let's say let's create a variable here. Let's call it age and let's give it some value. Let's say 18. Okay, guess this is the legal age for drinking if I'm not wrong. So let's say if age is equal to 18, so let's say let's print something out. Let's say welcome. Okay, so if you're 18 you can drink. If I'm not wrong, it doesn't matter. Okay, so if age is equal to 18 we are saying okay, welcome. Okay, so this is how we can check. Okay, so let's head to Chrome. Let's open it. Let's see what it does. What it is. I don't know what it says. Okay, let's. Why it takes so much time? Let's inspect it. Okay, and it says welcome right here. Okay, so I'll just refresh it for you again. So it says welcome right here. Okay, now if I were to say, let's see, we are checking the equality for 18 right here. Okay, so let's what if I want to show something to people who are less than 18 years of age? So we'll say else if age is less than 18. Now what we'll do, we'll just print it out something. Okay, let's print uh, go drink some milk. So we'll say go drink some milk. Okay, so now if my age is 17 it should print this thing, right? Because it will say okay, the age is not equal to 18, but if age is less than 18, print go drink some milk. So let's see what it does. So it prints go drink some milk right here. Okay, okay, so this is how we check the equality using double equal to. Okay, if you do not know I'll tell you. Okay, so single equal to is used to assign a value and double equal to is used to assign, oh sorry, used to compare two numbers if they are equal or not. Okay, not only numbers, they are used to compare two values. Okay, now let's remove this and I'll show you one more thing here. Okay, let's change this to 18 and we know that it will print welcome. Okay, we'll just check, it will print welcome right here. It says welcome. Okay, what if this thing was a string? Do you think it will work now, or do you think it is correct if we are comparing a number with a string? Okay, although it will print this message welcome right here, if I were to save it, it will say welcome, because whenever you're using double equal to, it will just compare the value. Okay, so this 18. Okay, so this age has a value 18 right here. Okay, so this will be replaced with this number 18. Okay, it will check it with this value. Okay, so although it is a string, its value is 18. Okay, so what JavaScript does is, if it is comparing a value with another value, and if you are using only double equal to, so it will just compare the value. It doesn't matter if it is comparing a number with a string or a string with a number, vice versa. It doesn't matter if it is comparing a number with a string or how many times I'm gonna repeat that. Okay, so if it is comparing two values, it will just compare the values. Okay, so it won't say okay, I'm comparing a number with a string or a string with a number. Okay, but if I were to put another equal to here, now it becomes a strict equality check. I'll just write it down for you. Strict equality check. So now what happens is, okay, now JavaScript will say okay, I have to check the value, okay, whatever is inside this variable and the value here, also the type of this variable. So we know that this is a type number right here. It says number right here. Okay, and now this thing we know that it is a string because we have written it, right? We are using single quotes. We can use double quotes as well. We can use backticks. The main concern is that we know that this is a string. Okay, so this thing should not be equal. So I'll just put something else here, else. Let's say not equal. Okay, now this thing will not be equal, and it will just print not equal right here. So it says not equal. So get the idea, right? Triple equal to is called strict equality check, and it will not only compare the values but also the type of the value that we are comparing. Okay, so this is it, pretty much what I wanted to cover in this video. And let me think if I'm missing something. If else statements. Yeah, this is pretty much it for this video. See you guys in the next video. Please like, share, and if you're new, please subscribe. Have a good day.